Hello and how are you friends? All of you are most welcome in your loving one person family. I am your soul friend Tales and Twist. Come on guys with me. Let us drink few coffee sips. Later I will carry you soon in a journey of new story. Fortifying the spirit. Now let's go. In a bustling city, two friends, Ava and Evelyn, shared a bond that had weathered years of laughter, tears, and dreams. They had grown up together, supporting one another through life's ups and downs, with their friendship as unbreakable as steel. One day, life dealt them a harsh blow. Evelyn, a livelier of the two, was diagnosed with a rare illness that left her physically weakened and unable to pursue her passion for dancing, which had been her greatest joy. The news was devastating for both friends. Evelyn felt her world collapse, while Ava, the optimist, tried her best to lift her spirits. But it was not easy, watching her friend, who had always been the light in any room, now dimmed by despair. Months passed, and Evelyn withdrew from everyone, pushing Ava away in her struggle to come to terms with her new reality. One evening, after yet another failed attempt to get Evelyn to smile, Ava found herself alone, tears streaming down on her face. She felt helpless, unsure if she could ever bring her friend back from the darkness that had consumed her. Determined not to give up, Ava spent nights reflecting on all the times Evelyn had been her pillar of strength during exam failures, heartbreaks, and family troubles. Evelyn had never let her fall, and now it was Ava's turn to return that strength. The next day, Ava went to Evelyn's house with a plan. She walked into Evelyn's room, where her friend sat quietly staring at old photos of her dancing days. Without a word, Ava set up her phone and began to play Evelyn's favorite song. Then she started dancing, awkward, clumsy, but with all her heart. Evelyn looked up, confused but amused. "What are you doing?" Evelyn asked, unable to hide a small smile. "Reminding you of who you are," Ava said, breathless. "You may not be able to dance like before, but your spirit, your strength, it's still here. And I am not giving up on you. We will find a new way to dance together." At first, Evelyn resisted, still trapped in her sadness. But day after day, Ava came back, dancing, singing, doing anything to bring back the spark in Evelyn. Slowly, the walls Evelyn had built around herself began to crumble. She started to laugh again, then move little by little, finding new ways to express herself through music and creativity. The journey was long, but with Ava by her side, Evelyn found strength in her resilience. She began teaching dance to children, finding joy in helping others experience the passion she once had. Her illness had changed her, but it hadn't broken her spirit. If anything, it had fortified it, made her stronger than she ever knew she could be. One evening, as they sat together, watching the sunset, Evelyn turned to Ava and said, "You were my strength when I had none." You reminded me that resilience is not about fighting alone, but letting others help you rebuild. Thank you for never giving up on me. In last, moral of the story is, true resilience is found not only in ourselves, but in the bond we share with others. In the moment of weakness, the strength of friendship can fortify the spirit, reminding us that we are never truly alone in our battles. With support and love, even the darkest times can be overcome. With a smile, I will say all of you, I love you. Goodbye, good luck. I am your soul fan, Tales and Twist.
We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. I'm not gonna be the one tonight. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So don't say you need me when I walk away. So many words but they don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love